Don't want your status bar to be cluttered with notification icon while using the notice tab? Here's how to keep it clean and quiet. When the notice tab is on, you can choose to hide all app notification icon from the status bar, but still keep the DND indicator visible so you know it's active. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, scroll down the screen, tap Notification, tap the Notice tab, next tap Hide Notification. Under When the screen is on section, enable Hide Status Bar icon. When this option is on, notification icons for all apps will be hidden from the status bar while DND is active. However, the notice tab icon will still appear, letting you know DND mode is currently on. Now, you can keep your status bar distraction free during the notice tab while still knowing your phone is in quiet mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.